Welcome to Speak With Us.
Welcome back to Speak With Us. I am Sarah. Today we have a very special work secret.
Hello, everyone. I am Ali. Sarah, what is the secret? I want to be a manager today.
Slowly, Allie. The secret is called the elevator pitch. Imagine you are in an elevator with a big boss. You only have 30 seconds to speak.
30 seconds. That is not much time. Hey, you. Can you say something smart in 30 seconds?
Yes, you can. First, we start with a strong hello. Practice with me. Say it with confidence. Hello, nice to meet you.
Wow, you sound like a leader. Listener, if you feel confident, hit the like button right now. Show us your power.
Very good. Now, step 1, your name and your job. For example, I am Sarah, and I am a researcher.
And I am Ali, and I am a student. Now it is your turn. Say your name and your job out loud. Go.
Excellent. Step 2, tell them your superpower. What do you do best? I help companies grow.
I help people learn English. What about you? Do you help customers? Do you fix cars? Say, I help people with.
You are doing amazing. Allie, why are you smiling?
Because this is fun. Listener, if you want to see more secrets like this, subscribe to the channel now. Don't miss the next episode.
Now, listener, let us put it together. Hi, I am Sarah. I help people with research. Try the whole sentence now. 1, 2, 3.
10 out of 10. You are ready for the elevator. But Sarah, what if the boss asks a question?
Don't be afraid. Just listen and smile. To the listener, repeat this word. Confidence.
Confidence. Let's practice the C sound. Repeat after Sarah.
Confidence. I have total confidence.
I feel like a boss now. Now I have a challenge for you. Go to the comments. Write your name and your job in English. I will read every comment.
Yes, please write to us. We want to know our work stars.
Sarah, give us a final piece of wisdom for today.
Remember, confidence is half the work. If you believe in yourself, the world will believe in you too.
Confidence is half the work. Whisper that with me. I believe in myself.
Today, we learned the elevator pitch, name, job, and your superpower.
You are amazing. See you in the next episode. I'm going to find an elevator now.
Goodbye, everyone. Work hard and stay confident.